you're on the market looking for a modern style home and don't want to pay the price of the $1 million price, the Charlotte price, but still want that modern, all the features, if so, you are in for a treat, because I am on my way to tour this property that just came on the market here in Kannapolis. So we are less than 30 minutes from downtown Charlotte. Brand new home, modern style home, less than the median home sales price in Charlotte. So if you are looking, stay tuned, because I'm on my way there. I'll flip the camera around so we can go take a look at this property. So here we are, getting off exit 54 of I-85. So exit 54, I-85, and this property is half a mile away from the highway. So literally half a mile away from this property. So let me show you. Here is Afton Village Shopping Center, right on my right hand side. And we are making a left here. Check out this property. So here's the big Afton Village Shopping Center, and we are making a left on this property. And here we are. So literally half a mile away. Check out these two new homes. This one is on the market, and this one is on the market. Let me show you. So we have the black siding, and next door we have the white siding. So both of them are 1,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, listed by one of my colleagues, Aaron. But when I say modern style, I mean, I'm going to show you guys this one. Beautiful, very private in Concord, Kannapolis. But every single detail, I mean, check out the entrance, the door, the light. Then we have the next door, same style as well too. Now let's go check it out. So I just went in and opened the door. So first of all, you get the full entrance glass door. And you come in, look at this. Just let it soak in for a minute. The attention to detail, the door handle. So here's your garage. Not much to see there. Then you come out, you have a very open living room area with an electric fireplace, built-in shelves, nice kitchen. Look at this. Look at this countertop, the gold touch. Two-tone cabinet. You have the hood, so you have the shelves, black stainless steel appliances, the microwave. I mean, everything about this home screams luxury. Look at it. Right here, on your right hand side, you have your half bath floating, if you can see there. Next to it, your laundry area, plumbing. Let's check out the outside real quick. So you got a good sized deck out back. So how good yard. You can see the survey line back there. That's when your property goes out to. That's the one next door. So here's your kitchen. I just love this kitchen. You have another door here, which is your utility room for your water heater. So just to kind of recap the downstairs, you come in, as you come in from the front door, here's the front door. You have your living room area. You have a space here, you can put a small table, breakfast area. Then you have an open kitchen. And see the cabinet goes all the way to the wall, to the ceiling. Your garage door to go outside. And let's go outside. So let me show you some about when I made attention to detail. You see the detail on the stairs. And you have no carpet here. The iron spindles. And here we are upstairs. So as soon as you come upstairs, to your left, you have your third bedroom. Just to that there. Double door closet. Come on. There's a second bedroom. Another double door closet. Bedroom number 2. Then we come out. In the hallway, you have full bath, another floating shelf, tile shower on our way around to the ceiling. And here goes to the primary bedroom. Very open. See got that ceiling to it. And now let's go check out the primary bedroom, my favorite place. So you have a built-in closet in the primary. Then you come out. So got another shelf. And a very large shower here in the primary. So let me just show you how large this is. You come in, the glass door, you turn on your water here, towel, all towel. Look at how nice this is. Beautiful. And look at the nook for the shower. So I don't even have a light on in this bedroom. As you all can tell, look how bright it is. So you get a lot of daylight in both of them. So I don't have a light on in this bedroom either. And bright. Same situation with this bedroom too. No light, very bright. The ceiling fan is off. So it goes to tell you how nice this home is. And if you're looking for this modern touch and don't want to pay $1 million, hands down, this property is one of my favorite, by far, best built home with all the bell and whistle. You have everything one would want in the home. I mean, let me just turn the camera around and show you. I mean, look at this kitchen. No carpet at all throughout the whole house. Look at the kitchen. I mean, it's my favorite part about this home. You have an island with a waterfall island. So this home just came on the market. If you're interested, please give me a call. 704-904-5152 is listed below $400,000. That's how great of a deal this home is. Okay, it just came on the market, both of them. So I just want to show you guys this one real quick, and then you can tell me what you think. But if you're interested, you want to find out more about this home, we are in Concord. We're Concord Canal Place, literally less than 30 minutes away from downtown Charlotte. We are less than half a mile away from I-85. So Afton Village is right across the street. You have everything you need in the home, and so buy a home less than $400,000. So if you want more information, give me a call, 704-904-5152. We'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.